Welcome everyone. MW over here. We're gonna do our market update today. Talk about the markets, talk about Bitcoin, talk about altcoins, talk about what I'm doing, what you're doing, what we should be doing. Everything you need to know how to not lose money. So everything you need to know how to not lose money. So everyone that's seeking to make a lot of money and become rich, skip to the next FOMO vid, please. Skip to the FOMO influencer that is showing you how you're gonna be rich. We at the Retail Army, we focus on how to not lose money, and at the end of the road, we'll be making a lot more money than you guys that are chasing to make money. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna focus a bit about that. Okay, so Bitcoin, let's dive in directly, guys. I don't have a lot of time for this and that. The only thing that I want to ask you guys before we're gonna start, push those likes, please. Show some love. Leave a comment for the algorithm. We need to grow on my YouTube channel. So this is Bitcoin on the weekly. We made this high. The exactly predicted dump that we made a lot of money, saved ourselves from a lot of money on this dump. And well, what's next? So what now? Okay, MB, well, we made a lot of money yesterday. I shared, I was chilling, enjoy the money, go spend the money, and then we will regroup, and then we'll start chasing those gains again. And that's what I'm planning to do from today and the next day. So I'm really eyeing for the next opportunities, and I'll be sharing those, by the way, into the free private group. For the people having free private group, weeks link is below. Make an account. There are 2 days left, by the way, guys. Let me see. Yes, there are 2 days left. 2 days left. If you deposit 5K, they will give you $1,000 in future bonus. There is no other exchange offering this. So to all the people that are watching this video, well, wait a minute, but MB, but when you some give 10K, 20K, yeah, you have to deposit like $500,000 to get a $1,000 bonus on all the other exchanges. So this is by far the best I've seen so far. So 5K, they will give you 1K future bonus. There are 2 days left. So if you want to sign up, there's a link below, weeks, and you don't have to do anything. Just deposit 5K using my link, and they will give you this $1,000. It's for the Retail Army. So 2 days left, guys. 2 days left. So let me go back. Why am I on my Twitter? Let me go back to here, to the chart. Okay, so what's next? What's next is, let me put it on the daily. Yesterday, people were getting excited about this candle. And you know, there's something that's, I'm really trying, guys. I'm trying to stay calm and to not get angry, to not get irritated by these FOMO influences. These marketing guys, they really make me mad. Yesterday, we're pumping. Tomorrow, we're dumping. Correction is coming. Oh no, the correction is cancelled. No, we have to do this. No, it's going up. No, it's going down again. No, it's this. It's that. These guys have really no souls. It's really one circus, you know? It's like you have some clowns with all those open mouths, and all those clickbait thumbnails and all that bullshit and crap, and you know, it's a circus, it's a show. It's like you're going to a circus. You pay some money, because you have to pay money. You pay money, you go in, and then you sit there, and then you see a clown, he's making fun. And today he's very angry, tomorrow he's very happy, the day after he's bullish, and then he's bearish, and it's just one big marketing show. These guys really have no souls. These guys really have no souls. The only thing they care about, and listen good what I'm going to say to you now, the only thing that they care about is money. Money, money, and money. And you know, a lot of retailers are looking for money in the crypto markets. They're looking to make money. Well, they are also looking for money, but the only difference between you and them is they are looking to get money out of your pockets, and you are looking to make money out of the markets and the crypto markets over here. But they don't care about crypto markets. Listen to what I say. They don't care about Bitcoin going up, Bitcoin going down, crypto getting rugged, people losing money or not winning money. They really don't care about that. So I'm speaking with you guys from the bottom of my heart. Please believe me in what I'm saying now. All these influencers, they don't give a damn about you, and whatever Bitcoin goes up or down, they don't care. The only thing they care about is money, and not the money that they can make as a trader on the charts, analyzing markets, looking for opportunities, teaching retailers how to not get wrecked, teaching retailers how to protect themselves, teaching retailers how to read markets, teaching retailers how to combine charts, how to understand when to be bearish, when to be bullish. No, they don't care about that because they don't even know how that works. They don't know how to trade, because if they would trade, they wouldn't be influencing and doing a lot of marketing shit to make money out of retailers. The only thing they focus about is getting you in so they can make money out of you. That's it. There's nothing else. Okay, so Bitcoin. Let me go. You know, sometimes I have to. Yesterday, by the way, there was a guy. I'm going to he sent me a DM. He joined us on the weeks trading group, and then he sent me a DM, and then he asked me about the indicator. Well, I told him the indicator. I will send you the indicator. So DM me on TG. So he DM me on TG, and I sent him the code for the indicator. And the team has access to my TG and everything. They check, and they checked that also with the hack attacks and etc. So they saw that his account was a deleted account after sending him that indicator, the code. And so when they saw that, the team, he got blocked, deleted, everything. Also on X, he got blocked after getting. When they saw that, because they were afraid it was some kind of hacker, so they blocked him directly. So in maybe like 5 minutes, he sent me a DM on X. I was laughing a lot. It was so funny. He DM'd me on X. He told me, "Hey bro, please don't steal my funds. Please don't steal my funds." You blocked me. Why did you block me? Please don't steal my funds. So I was really laughing out hard. I told him, how am I able to steal your funds? I don't understand. Please don't steal my funds. What funds? What funds are you talking? You didn't send any funds to me. No, please. So what he thought was, it's so, guys, I also responded to him that way. First of all, when you're sending funds to Weeks or to Maxi or to whatever exchange out there, that's between you and the exchange. You're not sending any money to me. But what he thought was, the code that I sent him from the MW indicator, he thought that with that code it was some kind of virus or whatever that could get into his computer and take funds from his whatever. It was so funny. I told him, bro, you're really, you're the one that is suspicious, and we thought that you were a scammer, not us. Bro, I'm about the most honest, direct person in CT and YouTube, and I'm the one that keep warning retailers from scammers and not the other way around. So a very funny story yesterday. So Bitcoin. First of all, this candle. Okay, the ones that are using the indicator, trading the indicator, like this lady over here. You see it? Gotta know who to follow. MW indicator killing it again. Guys, this is someone that has been following me for a while. I don't know her personally. I didn't ask her to share this. This is real, guys. This is real. This is no joke. She just knows how to use the indicator. And she makes her moves based on it, killing it again. And there she goes, and there she goes, and there she goes. And she keeps doing it over and over and over again. Just saying. Just saying. Just saying. So, but this candle yesterday, does this mean that we have to be bullish now? Let me show you. Aha! Do you guys really think that there was anything positive about Powell yesterday to celebrate about, to print this new all-time highs again? No, definitely not. Was there anything on the Nasdaq bullish? No. But look at this, guys. This candle that you see over here, by the way, these lines that you see over here, guys, are the FOMC meetings. I put them on my chart, and because, guys, for the ones that don't know, I trade more indexes, forex, etc. than crypto. It sounds a bit crazy, but I trade a lot more from these freaks over here with the big money than crypto. So you see this candle over here, this one, this candle. That is this candle. That's it. That's it. So yesterday, Wall Street made this candle up. They can't stay behind, because if this one would have went down yesterday, we would have had another one down on Bitcoin also. We would have been below the 60k levels and maybe even to the 50. So understand the game, understand what's going on over here. When I keep saying this on Twitter also, if this thing goes up, it's almost impossible for this thing to go down, because they rule the Bitcoin price, these freaks over here. So, okay, we had Powell yesterday. Congrats, Powell. Okay, Powell is being a bit, he's very, how to say, he's very realistic about saying a lot and saying nothing at the same time, because it's every circus is the same act on Powell. Only one, the one that he did in January, was a shock, and that's why the markets pumped even harder and wrecked a lot of people. But it's every FOMC is the same circus, same act. I don't know. We have to wait for data. It depends on the data. We're gonna look to the data. We're gonna act on the data. Data. Whatever. But he's also telling people, I'm not worried. Inflation is going up again. Stagflation is in the cards. But I'm not worried. You should be worried, Mr. Powell. You should be worried. And you should be worried a lot, especially with the coming weeks, with the banks that are going to suffer. And, well, the banks, I'm expecting really a bank fall the coming weeks. It goes very fast. It goes very fast. So I think that the banks will collapse at some point these weeks. There will be. So for now, so we had this, because Wall Street, good news is good news, bad news is also good news. Wall Street only knows one direction, and the direction that Wall Street knows is up. That's it. Wall Street only knows how to go up. That's the way of Wall Street. Wall Street just likes to go up. It's just in their nature. That's just how they have been from over 50 years, 60 years. It doesn't matter. You see it. This chart shows you from 2015, but from the 1800s or from the 90s, look at it. They only go up. So for now, I'm eyeing this one, guys. I'm eyeing this one. This rising wedge. Is this going to break, or are we going to get the healthy correction the coming weeks? And I'm more about the healthy correction, because we need to breathe a bit. We need markets to come down so Powell can become bullish again, especially with the elections coming up, so he can make his buddy Biden very happy. So, but to make him happy, we need to come down first. First, we need to come down, a little bit of blood, and then Mr. Powell will come with his sword, and as a savior of the day, I will cut rates, and then the markets will go up, and then the Americans have saved the day again and again and again. So that's what I'm eyeing. But for Powell to raise his sword as a savior, we need to come back first. We need a correction first. So I'm eyeing that correction. And when that correction happens, that's when Bitcoin will also come down at least. So guys, this is my minimum target. Minimum. The 50 to 47. This is the minimum. So remember what I said, because the minimum. I'm not saying that this is the bottom. No, this is the minimum. So the 50k level, 40k level, 30k level. I already shared it in my previous vids. I need when these markets, when these guys will, okay, Powell has said enough. Okay, well, things aren't looking as good as. Maybe it's time that we will take some profits, wreck some retailers, and then we will get Powell cutting rates as the savior as he is. So that's guys something that I'm eyeing and I'm preparing for. And I will also prepare these smaller moves down, because there are some nice short opportunities coming up. I've been checking some altcoins, and there are some nice shorting opportunities coming up. Because listen guys, we nil, let me put it out, and you know, a lot of people, you know, they share the good stuff, the good calls, and they hide the bad stuff. I don't hide nothing. So everything you see when I made some, suppose that I shared something and it was wrong, just tell it to me. Tell me that I was wrong, and I will post it myself on X. I was wrong. Do you remember this one? Do you guys remember this one? I shared a post about this. Guys, this is not going to end well. Well, the team listens. Okay, it's not going to end well. Let me put on the indicator. It's not going to end well. Why is MB saying it's not going to end well? Is there something where we didn't see? Well, we didn't see. Then what they do is you can do two things. Focus now. Focus, people from the private trading group. Focus now. When they see me posting something like that, they start DCA buying in short, especially when they know, wait a minute, he was also not so bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin also is topping out. So the combination, you have to think like this, the combination between Bitcoin topping out, getting into danger zones, resistance zones, this we are world coin or whatever, is the tokenomics are not right, the volume is crazy, this is not going to end well. Well, maybe I'm going to start DCA buying in some shorts over here and just let them run. This was over 1,000% on the 35x by the team. That's what it is. Don't go all in. You have to know how to leverage trade. There's a decent amount, you put it in, you wait, and they have been holding this one for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because I know they sold it over here. They closed that short over here, on exactly on the indicator. It went even lower, but they closed it over here. So they made sick gains. So just like this one, there will be a lot more opportunities, and it's on me to go hunt those opportunities. So I've got a lot of work to do the coming days. So altcoins, let me first of all, before we're going to talk about any altcoin, what's going on over here? What is going on over here? Because we had yesterday the news of Ethereum. The SEC is going to make the life of Ethereum bad. They're going to investigate. Is this another show for the super whales to buy some Ethereum at cheaper prices? Might be. I don't care. Whatever the SEC does, when Bitcoin dumps, Ethereum dumps, I'm a buyer. It's just how it works. I really don't care about any show. I will never buy at high levels. That's just me. I never buy at high levels. So I have got the patience. I trade high levels or short terms. You have to understand the difference here. I trade it. So When I can buy in, make some nice gains, I take them. When there is a short opportunity, the team takes it, they short it. And that's how they are playing, getting along and making their money every day, again and again and again. But they will, they're focusing on, their focus is on the big gains, and the big gains is when those targets get hit, like 50k, 48k, and that's when the real money goes in. So in the meanwhile, so for now, this ETH, we should have seen this go up. So let me explain. We don't trust the SEC, we don't trust news, and especially do not trust any influencer on CT. The only thing you need to trust is the chart. It shows you the truth. Charts don't lie. People lie. Charts don't lie. So yesterday when we had this Ethereum SEC show going on, well, we're going to investigate if Ethereum is a security, yes or no. This chart ain't showing that. Let me put on another chart. If that's really the case, let me see, where is it? Let me put it on because it's not on. Let me put it on. Let me put this on. Okay, let us check this one. Let us check this one. So please understand the game here. Listen to what I'm going to say. So we had Bitcoin rugging Ethereum the past 10 days. Listen good to what I'm saying now. We got Ethereum rugging Bitcoin. Bitcoin rugging Ethereum because Ethereum was losing a lot of strength against Bitcoin. And this was against the sentiment. So for the private group members, the vid that I made about sentiment trading, well, this is it. This is sentiment. It's exactly what I educated and teach you guys in that vid, trading course vid. By the way, guys, if you want to join to see the trading course vids and educate the real alpha, weeks links below, make an account, get some money on it. The requirements are described below. Start trading over there. You can also trade on spot. You don't have to leverage trade. Also spot traders are welcome. So come over there, send me your ID and you got access. So look at this, look at this. This is the sentiment. So over here, the sentiment was ETF spot will get approved. So meaning Ethereum will probably outperform Bitcoin. And what happened? The ETH bulls retailers have been destroyed over here. And listen to what I'm going to say now. Yesterday on this candle is when the SEC said, well, we're going to investigate Ethereum if it's a security. So meaning that if it's a security, it cannot be an ETH as an ETH. We're not going to get an ETH. And look at this candle. How is this possible? I just saw this, by the way, guys. I didn't prepare for this or whatever. I just saw it. So yesterday the news comes out that Ethereum is a risk and maybe it's a security, so maybe they cannot approve an ETF. And that's exactly the moment that Wills started flipping their Bitcoin into ETH on bad news. So this is exactly the sentiment trading. This is what I mean by sentiment. The sentiment trading is where you can make the biggest gains. Because why? You're not going along with the herd. So that favorite influencer, that guru that you're watching, he always leads you with the sheep to the fold. So you're going to the slaughter. He's sending you to the big wolf. That's his job. And don't hate him for that. He's getting paid to do that. So please don't hate him for doing that. He's getting paid to take you to the slaughterhouse. It's his freaking job. So it's even worse than a bull, or how do they call that? That one, you know, in those Asian in those old movies, like in Braveheart, that one that cut off the head of William Wallace, the bull. They call it the bull. So that's their job. they they gather all retailers together, they make a big nice group of them, and then they take them to the wool, and then they will slaughter you over there. So don't hate them for that. All those famous influencers, don't hate them. They're getting a lot of money to do that. It's their freaking job. So when they tell you, because they bring you the news and etc., yes, 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 and look what happened. ETH started showing strength against Bitcoin. It's really mind-blowing, these markets. So who is our best friend? Who exposes all these freaks? Who? We put on our indicator, and then we put it on the lower time frames, and then okay. So over here, ETH was supposed to be over here. ETH was supposed to be a security. Okay, so probably ETH BTC. So we're gonna get a big dump. Okay, so we're gonna get a big dump down here. Well, we're not. So this boom, test, up. Oh, we're now trying to get above the 200 DMA. So exactly when the news came out, ETH started showing a lot more strength against Bitcoin. And really, guys, this is really sentiment trading, and you can make a lot of money when you know how to trade against sentiment. But especially, what much more important, you don't even have to trade. You can save yourself from getting wrecked. So you can take some off the table and just be safe. So that's about that. Let me show you guys something else. What did I want to show you guys? I want to show you guys. Oh yeah, the fear and greed index. It's getting at. We're still extreme greed, but it's getting better. It's getting better. But this thing could, or just here or whatever. So this thing's getting better. Let me go. I wanted to show you guys something else. Was it on Twitter? Yeah, over here. Oh, so over here, guys, as you see, this is what happened. As you see, producing legal competitive security. Well, sentiment, and then well, boom. By the way, guys, the news, I'm going to save you guys that story. So we're going to close it up here, over here. Let me show. Yeah, this is it. So for now, by the way, guys, congrats to everyone that has been trading the indie and making this nice bounce up. Also, congrats to everyone that has gotten hit on our buy levels that I shared in my altcoins buy levels. Congrats to all of those on getting a lot of DMs. We hit around 35% of our buy zones, only on a drop to 60k. It's pretty good, pretty good. So 35% of my buy zones have been hit. And guys, take profits. Take profits on the bounces. Take profits, because based on my ID, I think we still have a lot, much more room to dump. But it's not something that happens today or tomorrow. So take the damn profits. Take profits. On the rise up, take profits. On the retraces, fill in. It's just simple. Sell high, buy low. Sell high, buy low. Sell high, buy low. Just like that GIF without. Okay, guys, for the ones that want to join us, week's link below, the description, the requirements, everything is described down in the description. Well, have a nice one, and we're gonna do another one tomorrow. Push the like. Thank you very much, and bye bye.